Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. First of all, I am very thankful to all of you for your support. And if you continuously support me, inshallah I will try to upload each and everything regarding first year and second year. And inshallah I will also try to upload the lectures of higher level, BSc and master level. I will also try to cover spectroscopy, and if you want to watch my previous lectures, you can see the description. I have linked all the videos in description. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now I am going to discuss about limiting reactant. Limiting reactant. Limiting reactant. If you are performing a reaction in the lab and you have not mixed the reactants according to stoichiometric measurements, according to stoichiometric amounts, then one of the reactant will consume first and one of the reactant will remain unreacted. And the reactant which consumes first or earlier during the chemical reaction, that is known as a limiting reactant. And the reactant which remains unreacted, that is actually excess reactant. So we can define the limiting reactant as it is the reactant which consumes first during chemical reaction. Why it consumes first? Because it is in lesser amount. And if it is in lesser amount, then we can say it controls the amount of product. If one reactant ends, then there will be no formation of further product. For example, formation of water molecule, we have 1 mole of H2 hydrogen gas, and it reacts with 1 mole of O2 oxygen. And when these two gases reacted, they form 1 mole of water. Now, if I write the amounts in grams, then you can analyze that which one of the following reactant is a limiting reactant. 1 mole of hydrogen is actually equal to 2 grams. It is actually equal to 2 grams. And 2 mole of oxygen is actually equal to 32 grams. And 1 mole of water is actually equal to 18 grams. Now we can see that 2 mole of hydrogen are here in the product, and here is 1 atom of oxygen, and it is 16 gram. In this oxygen, we can say 16 gram of reactant is reacted or consumed. And 16 gram is remaining. And in this reaction, hydrogen is consumed totally. And when hydrogen becomes almost, its amount becomes zero, then our product will remain constant. There will be no excess amount, there will be no further formation of a water molecule. So we can say that in this case, hydrogen is the limiting reactant because it is in lesser amount and it is totally consumed during a chemical reaction. Now question is that how we can find the limiting reactant in a chemical reaction? Then we have some steps. We have to follow some steps for the calculation of limiting reactant, and those are, I am going to erase it. Steps to find, these are the steps to find limiting reactant. Limiting reactant. So first of all, find the number of mole from given amount of reactant. Find the number of moles, from given amount of reactant Next step is calculate the amount of product that each reactant can form during a reaction, or we can say estimate the amount of product. Calculate the amount of product that a reactant can form from balanced chemical equation. From balanced chemical equation. And final and third step is from this step we can check the reactant which gives the product lesser amount, then that reactant will be limiting reactant. The reactant which gives product in lesser amount or small amount is limiting reactant. I hope you people have understood it completely, and if you have questions regarding limiting reactant, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.